You all have helped me become a stronger Christian, and I'm grateful to ICA family. Thank you, Valsinico and Nalianti, for giving me this time to share my testimony. I'm going to read Joshua 1:9. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. The reason I enjoy this verse is that it reminds me that He will never leave me and that His love is everlasting. I have been attending ICA for more than 6 years now, and I've grown to understand the word and the value of living a godly life. Our God, He heals, He saves, and He even blesses us. But all this stuff doesn't come out of blink of an eye. You must first seek God, and He will bless you abundantly. I'm going to take part in baptism because God will bless me abundantly, and I believe that Jesus died for us, and I believe He is the risen Savior. He has blessed me with a wonderful church family, and just as I looked up to others, I know someday others will look up to me as well. So I want to live a life that will bless others and glorify God. I want to thank my parents for showing me what is right from wrong. I want to also thank my church family for always motivating me and making me the person that I am today. Before I thought I had to be perfect to take water baptism, but then I realized that nobody can be perfect except for God. So I'm wanting to give my life for Jesus and to spread His word with all to whom I meet. As my journey in life continues. I've learned many things over the past couple of years as I started to understand the true meaning of prayer and the power it has when you ask with a clean heart. I'm grateful to all my friends at church and the encouragement you have given me over the years. I'm excited about where our church is going in the future. I'm ready to obey God's command. Thank you all for coming and supporting us.
Have you given your heart to Jesus Christ? Have you acknowledged that Jesus Christ is the Lord of your life? Have you determined to follow Him the rest of your life? Okay, based on the command that Jesus Christ gave to baptize those who believe, and based on your confession of faith, I now baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Be faithful to the end, and He will give you the crown of life. God bless you.